The protagonist meets a woman named Malta Kano about a cat that has gone missing. Let's take a look at the text. Would you by any chance be acquainted with the Pacific Hotel across from Shinagawa Station? I would. There is a tea room on the first floor. I shall be waiting there for you at 4 o'clock, if that would be all right with you, sir. The protagonist and Malta Kano meet in a tea room on the first floor of the Pacific Hotel. To be exact, it is the Hotel Pacific Tokyo in Shinagawa. The hotel actually exists, and is located right in front of the west exit of JR Shinagawa Station. However, when I actually visited the hotel, unfortunately, there is currently no tea room on the first floor. When I asked the hotel staff for details, they told me that the tea room used to exist, but it disappeared in 2000 and has now been moved to the third floor. I was told that the interior was almost unchanged after the move. I immediately visited the tea and cocktail lounge on the third floor and took some pictures. This tea room appears again in the story. The protagonist meets with Nobuo Ruwataya and Malta Kano, where Nobuo Ruwataya tells the protagonist to give up Kumiko. Let's take a look at the text of the novel. The first to speak was Nobuo Ruwataya. I have very little time to spare, so let's make this as simple and straightforward as possible. He seemed to be talking to the stainless steel sugar bowl in the middle of the table, but of course he was speaking to me. The table in the tea and cocktail lounge actually had a stainless steel sugar bowl on it. Unfortunately, the Hotel Pacific Tokyo closed in 2010, apparently due to old age. It reopened in 2011 as the Shinagawa Goose, but closed Indiana 2021 for redevelopment. The building will be demolished and a new complex will be built. Now, let's take a look at the former Hotel Pacific Tokyo with an aerial video.